we can differentiate the logarithmic function using dy dx is equal to 1 over dx dy, which remember was a consequence of the chain rule. So let's let y be equal to ln x. So if y is equal to ln x, then since the exponential function is the inverse of the logarithmic function, we can have e to the y is equal to e to the ln x. We've taken the exponential function of both sides of the equation. We know that they are inverse functions, so e to the y will be equal to x, since e to the x and log n x are inverse functions. E to the ln x is just x. We can now differentiate dx dy will be equal to e to the y. Therefore, using dy dx is 1 over dx dy gives us that dy dx would be 1 over e to the y. We can see from here that e to the y is equal to x, so dy dx is 1 over x. So if y is equal to log to the base e of x, which we call ln x, then dy dx is 1 over x.